Welcome to Pillar 4 of the course Nouns Number. So what is it that we are going to learn in this pillar? Let us take a look. Well, this pillar talks about irregular nouns. Now when we say irregular, the word by itself means something that is not regular, something that does not follow particular rules. So irregular nouns are nouns that do not follow any of the rules that we saw in the previous pillar to change from singular to plural. So there are certain nouns which change their form. So when I say change their form, they may either undergo a change in spelling or they may undergo a change in pronunciation. So we are going to take a look at few irregular nouns in this pillar. The first one is child. Now, some of us may think that child can be changed to childs by adding an S, which is the first rule of changing a singular noun to a plural. Well, that is not the case for this word child. Child changes to children. Very often I hear people using the word children's. I don't understand why we say children's. Children is the plural form of child. So, in case you have learned this wrong habit of saying children's for the plural of child, please change that. It is children. The next one is fish. Well, fish ends in SH. So ideally rule number 2 should be applied here, where we add ES to make the plural of this noun. But well, that is not true because fish is an irregular noun. It does not change its form in the plural also. It remains fish. So we say one fish and many fish. The third example is that of a mouse. Now again, mouse can be changed to mouses. But being an irregular noun, it changes its form and gets converted to mice. So one mouse, many mice. One more, tooth. So it should be tooths, but well, it isn't. It is teeth. Now again with this I would like to share with you that while I have been teaching nouns to students, I have heard them saying that ma'am, the plural of tooth is teeths. So that again is a very wrong belief that people have. The plural of tooth is teeth. We do not add an S to already a plural form. Alright? So, I hope all of you have understood irregular nouns, and we will be doing some more of this in the next pillar. So, what I would suggest to you is to try and find as many irregular nouns that you can and make a note of them somewhere so that when we come back you will be ready with so many different irregular nouns and you will enjoy doing the activities that are there for you in the next pillar. So I will see you in the next pillar. Thank you.